We're looking at pets in your home and ways to keep the pets nice and safe and to create a pleasant environment for them. But let's face it, these guys can be pretty hard on your home from time to time. They like to dig, they like to chew, and we won't even talk about any of the accidents that take place inside in the new carpet. But this is Sophie, and this is her home, and she's pretty smart. She knows just how to get in and out of the back door here by scratching and getting everybody's attention inside. But you can see the results of that scratching, her little bit of handiwork or paw work, if you will, how the weather stripping has been damaged and a little bit of scratching has taken place. So I went to the home center and bought a replacement piece of weather stripping. That'll be easy to pull the old out and install this, but how do we keep this kind of damage from happening again? Well, I also picked up a piece of lattice molding that's solid vinyl, so it's colored all the way through. So once I replace the vinyl, the weather stripping, then I'll position this over that with a little bit of space in it. And that way, if she scratches on it, you won't even know it. The torn weather strip peels out easily and the new one fits snugly into the same groove. I'm positioning the lattice so that it covers most of the foam strip but doesn't stop the door from latching. Finishing nails every foot or so hold it securely in place, and a little spackling covers the nail heads.